Yeah, they did. It pulled back from the high, but it's still going sideways throughout like the day. Yeah, it did pull back a little bit. How is this going to work? I need this thing to move this over. Started the stream, by the way. There we go, that works.
Well, maybe you add link into the title too.
It's too late. Title's already made.
Get those link Marines in.
I need Bob to call all his friends. Cake is selling off a little bit. It's retesting the wedge. What was the high on Bitcoin? 58.6. It's pulled back like $1,000. Nothing crazy. What were the new signals? The new signals were buy on Step, sell on Sushi Litecoin. Yeah, 1 hour sell on Sushi. Dude, that Discord bot is really helpful. You don't have to fucking scan the charts every hour. And then Litecoin. Hey, Amir.
How do you set up that channel so that I could follow it, but in a separate alert?
What do you mean?
Hold on, I'll just see if I can make it.
Like if you get notifications.
You mean you want push notifications?
Just write the room name and hit notification settings, and you can do like all messages.
Yeah.
There's a hold on, I'll just go.
You're trying to override the notifications thing, right? Oh, Amir, I didn't know that. Nice. Gotcha, dude. I thought you were two different people. I appreciate that, Amir. Hey, Alan.
Actually, no, we shouldn't do that.
What were you thinking about?
I was gonna set it up so that I could follow the channel, but put it in like I have another Discord that's just me in it, and it gives me alerts from like a bunch of Discords, so I don't have to have notifications on for them.
Gotcha.
I just follow specific channels, but if we do that, then someone could do what I'm doing and just steal the alerts.
Gotcha.
Yeah, I have that as well. You have to like set the room as like an announcement type of thing, but it wouldn't be secure. We got a paywall here. There's a 15-minute cell flashing on Cake, so careful.
I think we bounced here on a bunch of stuff.
As long as that Cake high time frame closes like that, I don't care what it does on the low time frames.
The 15 minutes bot has been pretty clean for it, just saying.
The daily has a dirty dragonfly, and then the 4 hour has a nice little wedge.
I think hot perp
Hot looks good.
yeah, it does. I like the 4 hour.
Hot has a, I think it's an 8-hour buy.
Oh, Doge, let's go.
Yeah, 8-hour buy flashing on hot. If it gets above like 1.17, it looks really good.
69 incoming soon.
Hey, Kellen. Nizonic Slayer. What's going on, guys? What was the other one I said earlier? It was hot and something else. STORJ. Adam we called out this morning. Oh, it was HT, I think. HT looks really good. Or that's Huobi, yeah. It's a different one.
Wow. Doge.
Much wow.
Fucking ripping Doge.
BNB, let me see. BNB looks really good, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, you're still holding a nice little trend here. Little pullback to the trend. Nothing major. You could even take the candle bodies and it would be a tighter pullback. Something like that. But it looks fine. Still holding the previous high. Holding the trend. Any consolidation or pullback is still bullish above like 600.
Oh my god, Doge actually looks good. What the fuck is going on?
And I'm kind of mad I didn't hold my coins from this morning, I guess, when we were...
We were all up too late and we were just fucking vaginas.
Yeah.
Yeah. I decided to put a stop at like 5, 6, 7, something around there, and it almost hit it, but it didn't. And I went to sleep, and I woke up.
When I trade shit like that, where like I'm trading a fucking news announcement, if it doesn't immediately do what we think it's gonna do, I get out. Yeah, the 1 hour 1 hour bull flag was clean. Kellen said, in my opinion, BNB will explode. I mean, they have more smart contracts than Ethereum and Binance, and everything behind them. Yeah. They're lacking in NFTs. Alan said, for whoever is interested in BNB, have a look at the relationship between Bitcoin and BNB long term. BNB looks really good, man. The exchange tokens are like a no-brainer. That's why I'm really heavy in FTT right now. FTT pulling back a little bit, but the daily's really strong. Any pullback to the trend or consolidation to the trend, I'll just buy more. Anything above like $50 on FTT, I think, is a steal.
Below 50?
No, I mean above. Like anything that pulls back that stays above 50, I think is a good price. Like if it pulls back to like 53, 55, I think that's a good price. If it starts to lose 50, then it gets a little scary for a little bit. Couple of big sells coming in on Bitcoin, 1.5 million, 1.4.
Rotating to Doge.
Doge and Bitcoin are always opposite. It's ridiculous.
I might just put my whole account into spot Doge and use it as collateral to long everything.
You can use it as collateral. It's funny.
The way it moves so fast, though, if it like dumps quickly, won't all your lick prices accelerate?
Oh yeah, it's I'm being sarcastic.
Okay, good.
You could buy Doge as a hedge. It's fucking. It's almost always opposing Bitcoin.
I just bought a shit ton of Doge because fuck it. Let's do it, boys. Send it to 75 cents, and then we're gonna short this bitch after Elon goes on SNL.
Oh yeah, tomorrow's Saturday.
As soon as I bought it, immediately started going down. This is not good. Yeah, dude, the chill is
Panic.
do not buy Doge.
STORJ topping out a little bit.
I really wish they had Verge on here.
That 50-minute buy was clean on STORJ.
I think just aping a Doge, dude, before tomorrow.
They
Look at
don't
that.
have Verge, but they have a basket that has Verge. That's kind of weird.
Yeah, look at the Verge chart. All-time highs at 24 cents
Verge USD or Verge XBT?
USD.
What are you looking at, like Bitfinex?
or Binance.
I get so annoyed because in FTX, I try to type, like, if I'm on another page and I'll try to type Bitcoin in, I type in XBT and nothing shows up.
Yeah.
Why is this fucking Arthur Hayes ingrained in my brain?
Yeah, that's a fucking crazy cup on Verge, dude.
Yeah, it's insane.
Look at the weekly chart. It goes from 85 all the way down to like 0015. And now we're
You can
cupping
still-
all the way back.
Yeah, you can still like 3x from here.
Yeah, that's nuts. Shit, more than 3x. Yeah, 3x would be
This
like the easy
4-hour
target.
This 4-hour candle is going to close in 50 minutes on Bitcoin, and it's above the downtrend right now.
I like
are you
the-
in Doge right now?
Am I
What
what?
time zone are you using for your candle?
Me?
E.
Time
the
zone doesn't
default.
matter.
Why does my
The 1
phone
hour.
look like it
The
just
1
closed?
hour already. The 1 hour already closed outside the downtrend, and it's just retesting it right now.
Daily Bitcoin is fine above the POC at 56.6. Looks really good here. You just need to get above this flat top. It's failed this flat top a lot. Siri, stop listening to me. Jesus.
It just looks the hourly just looks like it's retesting the area it broke out from, like
Yeah.
the downtrend.
No, it does.
What's
Do-
the bulldog target on this, Deja?
let me see. I'll use the 8 hour because that's the cleanest. Like 62, 63.
Makes sense.
Yeah,
There's
about 8.
resistance there.
About 8%.
Send it.
Carva said the Doge filer just listed on CoinGecko, Elon SNL, and Times Square billboard in the weekend. You're so lucky if you see this. They have a billboard in Times Square. That's funny.
Yo, JMA, when you use FTX on your phone, do you have to use a VPN?
Yeah.
What VPN do you use?
Nord.
All right. I aped in the Doge real degenerately, and I don't want to walk away from my computer, but I have to, so I need to get on the mobile.
If you want to avoid the VPN stuff, you can do something like 3 commas. But
Any API.
yeah, any API.
What do you mean?
Like if you use 3 commas, it's using an API, so it doesn't sign in like the same way.
3 commas on what though?
3 commas is a platform. It's like a third-party platform.
Oh, I thought you meant put in like www.
No, yeah.
FTX.
No, it's a third-party platform.
Oh, fucking brainlet.
Do they have a cell phone app?
Yeah, they do. With 3 commas or FTX?
3 commas.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, I use the FTX app. But the 3 commas would be nice because then you don't need a VPN.
Yeah, I use Nord as well.
Yeah, Nord's fine. You just gotta watch out for the Nord extension on browsers, because sometimes it will say it's on, but it's not actually on. So I always turn it off and turn it back on. That's how they got me on BitMEX, because it said my VPN was on, but when I logged in, it always sends you an email, and it's like, hey, you're signing in from here. And then it fucking got my actual IP.
Rugged you?
Yeah, rugged me.
There we go.
Had that account for like 3 years, and they fucking rugged me.
Now you're green.
Green on what?
King.
Oh, cake. Cake's a piece of cake, man. That thing is fucking
King.
gonna rip.
King.
Oh.
King Thoreau.
Cake is
You're
going
green
down,
on
dude.
what?
You fucking pissed me off. You got me all happy.
Yo, I'm going full fucking ape, and I'm just gonna run it, no stops, nothing. Fuck it. Dogecoin's gonna go up, and I'm gonna come back, and this bitch is gonna be like millions in profit, and I'm not gonna have to worry about a thing.
Probably not.
Thanks, Dogecoin. I'll be back, boys.
I think cake can go down to like 36 and still be fine.
I'm gonna buy a spot bag of Doge, put it on a sub account, and then long Doge.
There you go.
I bought a spot bag.
Whoa, lots of sells coming in. Big sells.
For what?
Everything.
Right there. That should bounce right there. Bitcoin should bounce right there.
Everything is selling.
Everything like stocks or crypto?
Crypto. 15-minute sell signal coming in.
Try to scare me out of my Doge position, bro.
Now Doge is good when
That should
Bitcoin
be
goes
the-
down.
That should be the bounce right there on Bitcoin.
Bitcoin down, Doge up. Let's go. I'm already posted on this bitch.
Thanks, baby.
You don't want Bitcoin to get below like 57. As long as it stays above 57, you're okay.
Oh, I still have this position open from last night. Fuck yes.
What position?
The Doge. When
Elon tweet.
I went fucking heavy.
I got a small bag.
Baby. Yeah, those are rookie numbers, Sticky. Fucking get a big bag, boy. No small bags. We're taking this bitch at 75 cents tonight for sure.
Yeah, I opened this at 59 cents.
Well, yeah, I'm 5x a 10k bag on a fucking sub account.
Weak sauce, baby. Up that leverage. 10x.
I'm not looking to get fucking BLM'd.
My liquidation's 57. We're good.
65 cents. It might pull back a little bit here.
Nah, fuck that. No pullbacks in this
Just a
paradigm.
little bit. I'm not fucking selling.
Alright, that's what I like to hear. Let's go, Smoochie.
My open price is 59 cents. I'm up a lot. Yeah, 95% now.
Like
Shorts are
five,
getting paid again, finally.
like 5 people own all of Doge. That can be said about most coins, though. That doesn't really scare people nowadays.
Bitcoin's gonna bounce here, boys.
Doesn't look bad.
No plus. Break out of a falling wedge, you gotta fucking retest it.
No plus.
No plus. Fucking try longing Ray for fucking a week and being underwater for a week.
Dang it. Do I buy more? Do I double down? Want to wait for a pullback on Doge.
Doge, fucking go.
There are no pullbacks.
Let's go.
We all bought the bottom yesterday and then got out of it because we're assholes.
I don't know. I was thinking about closing it, and then I saw a decent line of support, and then Somni, I think, who was on at the time, or maybe it was Jelly, who said, I'm gonna set a stop, but I'm not closing it. I'm like, you know what? Fuck.
I didn't want to go to bed with a fucking open Doge position.
Just don't go to bed.
True.
Oh, shit.
I would be a much richer man if I didn't sleep.
I'll be up with you, dude.
Yeah, but you're 3 hours behind. It's not fair.
It worked last time.
Sticky. When my girlfriend goes to the Philippines, dude, I'm not fucking team no sleep for sure, dude. I'm gonna be like
Let's
a
do it.
zombie.
Let's fucking do it.
Fucking trading cryptos and fucking playing a new WoW game.
I've probably had like
My
5
life
hours of sleep max
is
every
gonna
day
be
since
gone.
Jan. We'll get fucking rugged while we're fucking in Outlands.
Those were the days, though, back in like September of 2018 when we stayed up all night trading fucking BART patterns. So stupid.
Back when I was a fucking Ichimoku
Yeah,
trader.
Ichimoku for sure. I was drawing lines on every single price level back then. You remember my old charts, dude? It was like I had a grid line. Fucking
Yep.
every single line I had a line on.
I would play every end to end, every fucking flat line.
Yep. The good old days. The golden days of Arthur Hayes.
ES is so untradeable right now.
Hey, Daily Day, what's going on?
Look at that. Pump, drop, pump, drop.
I'm telling you, it's because BitMEX, they moved their market makers over to ES. This is like the exact, like what me and Sticky were just talking about. This is what Bitcoin used to look like.
There's no trend direction.
I think people are using a lot of leverage is the problem. I think leverage is
It's up and down and up and down and up and down.
Just
Just
fucking
look
with
at
the liquidity. So far, you called the bottom on Bitcoin, Jamie.
Dude, you know, fucking, I always call bottoms, bro.
No TTT news.
You're so modest.
You just look at the ES daily.
I've been strong on calling fucking bottoms for the past few weeks.
Dude, a short just got licked. It bounced to literally like $100.
ES on the daily went from 4,200 all the way down to 4110-ish. Then went all the way up to 4230.
Here's the retest on Cake I was talking about. This could go back to like 36. I might add on down here if it starts to bounce. We just don't want Cake to ruin its daily chart. The daily is really clean.
Yeah, that's if you're trading cake, you're trading the daily chart.
Yeah, exactly. As long as the daily stays intact, which basically as long as it doesn't nuke to like 35, it should look really good. Doodle said, I'm hoping for one more mega pump on Cake, then I'll sell my spot back. Yeah, you can say that about everything, man. But no, I hear you. I think Cake looks good.
Just one more pump.
Just one more pump, man, please.
It's delicious.
I promise I'll never do this again.
Sound like a drug addict.
Oh, yeah.
Welcome to crypto.
You always tell yourself that. I'll never do it again. Just get me out of this trade.
We're coming back. We're coming back.
Those are always the trades you put too much leverage into. You're just fucking praying at your desk. You found God all of a sudden.
Born again.
Yeah.
All right. Looks like we're retesting the previous high. Do we
You guys on
bounce?
stream like that I show the AGGR trades thing, or is it distracting? Thoughts on STORJ? We actually called STORJ out this morning. So it's run pretty far since then. I definitely want to enter up here. You're hitting a lot of prior resistance. You would be looking for like, yeah, your target's basically already hit. So like if you got in this trade, you would have been looking for like the prior levels around like 230 to 250. So it's already hitting a lot of that. So now that if you miss this trade, you would be looking for either like a consolidation above this area. So like somewhere above here, like consolidating up here, or a retest of this area here. Anything in between is just going to chop you out. You don't really want to trade that. So you would be looking for like a retest of like 220 or a consolidation around 250. Other than that, you wouldn't be trading that. This is a profit taking area. That's why a lot of people are taking profit because of this area here.
Where the fuck is Johnny Dips at, man?
Yeah, we need him to draw some wedges.
I need a bear chart from Dime.
No, I need a fucking falling wedge from Johnny Dips.
You guys think it's useful? All right, cool.
I'm on my phone right now, Deja. But if you look at Bitcoin 1 hour, it seems like there's a pretty strong trend like upwards trend, but hard for me to draw while I'm on my phone driving fucking
Yeah, it's
70
like a
miles an hour.
parabolic trend. Yep, it's not bad. It could come down to like 57.4 to test that trend. It would need to accelerate rapidly. Like it needs to like lick people here and then bounce off of it.
JMA speeding down the highway, fucking drawing charts out. Epic.
That's
Hypothetically.
part of the life of being a bottom caller. Yeah, we're bouncing here. You got the fucking major trend on the daily that we're bouncing on, and you got a 1 hour trend. Sorry, not an hour trend, Deja. 15-minute trend. 15-minute.
Yeah, it lines up on both time frames. I see what you're looking at.
Yeah, starting at like 55.6.
Yep. Yeah, it has to go basically like fucking parabolic to bounce off this. Did you guys trade EOS yesterday? I didn't. I'm not sure if a couple of our guys in Discord did. We have a lot of guys in Discord that have been trading the dinosaurs like EOS, ADA, OMG. What other ones?
Neo.
Yeah, Neo.
Dash did do all right.
Dash, yeah. Qdom makes me sad, Doodle, because that was like 2 days ago. I called it out when we stayed up till like 1 or 2 a.m. Called it out, went to bed, woke up, it was up like 40%. I didn't take it. I hate it.
Fucking XMR literally doesn't stay. Like, all last night, you're like, it's still going. Like, 3 hours later, it's
Yeah,
still
we were
going.
playing
3 hours
poker.
later, it's still going.
Still going. Still going.
Fucking actually made me laugh.
How many rugs were in that poker game?
A lot.
Fucking rugged.
I still can't believe you had pocket aces when I said we should go all in every hand. What a joke.
I bought back in 4 times and then I cleared out everyone.
So
I hate
fun.
rugs.
Oh man, you're like, let's just go all in until somebody doesn't have any money. I'm like, all right, I got pocket aces.
If I had a house, I'd rip out every fucking carpet in it. No rugs.
You put that on your fucking like door when people come into your house. Like, what is your
The only
sign
thing-
mean?
The only thing a rug is good for is getting pulled.
Yeah, that's what Sticky's talking about, not going to bed. Because you got to stay up through the Asian hours. They have all the good entries. If you're in Asia and you're not making a fucking killing, like I don't know what you're doing. You have the best entries
You
possible.
literally just wake up and make money.
Yeah,
It's fucking-
you have the best entries possible.
We all need to just get Adderall subscriptions.
Just wake up and start longing shit.
They have the best entries for shorts. They have the best entries for fucking longs.
Yeah, and then they fucking rug us.
Yeah.
I mean, they fucking wake up to mad profits. Wouldn't you take money?
I think STORJ is coming back.
I haven't heard that fucking name since 2017.
Oh, it's a dinosaur.
Imagine needing a blockchain for storage.
Yeah. Isn't it kind of like VeChain? Or is VeChain more like a logistics thing?
VeChain's more logistics.
Yeah, I'm gonna draw this out for you guys. 'Cause I know you guys are gonna keep asking. All the new people that come into stream.
Doge, why are you going down?
Rugged.
So STORJ is topping on this resistance, like almost to the penny. This is a profit-taking area here, and this is a support buy the dip area here. Everything in between, you don't want to trade.
Doge
So
gonna
you either
retest
consolidate
everything.
above this, or you retest support.
Doge just gonna retest to like 628 and then fucking rock it.
More sells coming
It
in on
just tapped
Bitcoin.
the auto SR on the 4-hour to the penny.
Yep.
Oh, dang.
Oh wow.
Big sells on Bitcoin.
And Doge, holy shit. Scam down to 623. Wow.
I'm going to have to average down on cake pretty soon, which I'm okay with. Oh yeah, Doge is nuking. Doge has a lot of sellers around like 66 to like 69.70. A lot of sell walls there. It's because I put the names in the title doodle. He said every day there's a pump and people ask Deja to draw it. If it pumps, you generally don't want to enter. Facts. Oh yeah, Dev, we'll be on to see what happens with Doge during Saturday Night Live. We'll be in Discord, be in Degenerates probably. What time is that supposed to start? Is it like 9 p.m. Eastern or something?
Oh, Saturday
Usually
Night
on,
Live is
like,
always like
11.
11:30 p.m.
Oh, is it? It's real late.
That's on the Pacific side too, isn't it?
Oh. Oh, really? You guys see it? Oh, you see it
Usually
delayed?
it comes on at like 11 around on the Pacific.
I guess it's not live. Oh, is it live? No. Or is it live?
I
Just
think
on the East
they
Coast?
film it during the
It's in
middle
the
of the day,
name.
I'm pretty sure, don't they?
We should take bets if you think Elon's actually going to mention Doge. Like, you know for sure he sees all these Twitter. You know for sure he sees all these Twitter fucking memes about him, you know, people thinking that he's going to mention it. I don't know, man, if fucking you should fade it or fucking buy into it.
I think it's like the whole sell the news thing.
I think you just, if you want to buy it, you don't buy it until it breaks 70.
Just make 2 sub accounts and fucking 50x long, 50x short.
I'm going to do that. I'm going to make a sub account and like throw like 5K in there and just fucking 20 exit, 50 exit.
You're gonna throw 5K at Doge?
Yeah, just high leverage it.
Godspeed.
Because, dude, if it does fucking rip,
I'm gonna take off
like,
a
I feel
little
like it's
early today. You guys have a good weekend. I'll catch you guys later.
Yeah, go on, man.
Peace.
later, see.
Later.
You're in the
I feel
UK,
like
so
the
it's in the middle of
fucking
your
meme is
morning?
strong, dude.
Yeah. It has to get a mention, the amount of disappointment if it doesn't. It's gonna sell off pretty hard if it doesn't, I think. I think it's gonna sell off either way, but we'll see. A lot of sellers at 70. Unless it takes the sellers out, it's not going anywhere. I wouldn't buy it below 70. but the problem is breakouts have been getting faded.
Best case scenario is Elon does like a little thing about his skid, and there's like a little Doge thing in it before Saturday. Well, he already did one yesterday, but
Yeah, they dropped it yesterday.
Yeah, the one they dropped was dog shit. I think it was intentionally dog shit. You would hope.
I'll let you know if Top Tick Tommy says anything on
Can you
what
imagine if
in right
fucking
now.
Coinbase dropped Doge right now?
It's kind of crazy Coinbase doesn't have them on there.
Yeah, I mean that still hasn't happened yet.
that's why their stock's fucking down.
Yeah.
That happens, and the fucking thing's gonna rocket quickly and then fall quickly, and then go back. Seems like that's been happening when sushi was added to Coinbase, it pumped and then dumped.
Homegrown, you got your bag of STORJ filled? Did you buy it recently, or are you a bag holder from 2017? That's a dinosaur coin. There's a lot of bag holders on that coin. No, that's true, Doodle. Dogecoin's the best coin to get people on your platform. Young people just want to meme into things. That's true. I think it would actually help their stock if they added Doge, to be honest. You get a lot of new users. Get a lot of Robinhood bros that would leak over to Coinbase.
If we get to $1, I'll be a happy guy.
I think it has to get to $1, dude. There's so many fucking TikTokers and Robinhooders and everybody and their mother. All the retail bros buying it. I think it's going to be like the one time the retail bros are just completely right.
Well, unless on its way to $1, fucking Robinhood tweaks out again.
Or somebody, one of the big bag holders, decides to sell.
Yeah.
Because there are big bag holders of Doge. Oh, without a doubt, Daily Dev, the Robinhood's going to freeze if it gets a lot of action. Without a doubt. Bitcoin's still holding up. Big buys just came in, 3.9 million, 1.5 million. The delta just turned positive. Does Binance.us have Doge?
Probably. I don't know, actually.
Has Coinbase made a statement saying why they don't want to put Doge on the platform?
I thought they were planning on doing it.
Like, you can't tell me fucking Dogecoin is a security.
Over 66 and we fucking send. Otherwise it's going to fucking 0.
Yeah.
It's not going to 0, but it'll go a shocking amount and send a lot of people to 0.
It will trade under a penny again.
You think so? Dude, that
I
would
hope so.
be wild. I could see it like nuking down to like 20 cents and staying there for a very long time. If it goes back below a penny, that's just insane. It'd be like GameStop going back to like $2. You're holding the local POC on Doge, that on that little pullback.
Yeah, Doge is on Binance.
Let's see. I'll watch it on Trading Light. Which exchange do you think has the most volume on Doge?
What exchanges have it?
No, which has the most volume? Do you think?
No, I mean what
Binance?
exchanges has it like on that list?
Oh, okay. Binance Futures.
Bittrex, Bitfinex, FTX.
I don't have it on Finex.
Probably Binance.
Yeah, it's FTX or
So if we're being completely honest, it's Robinhood, but Robinhood's not on Trading Late.
does Robinhood even give you spot Doge though?
No, I don't think they technically have it.
What do you mean?
Like if you buy Doge on their platform, you don't technically own it.
Oh, really?
You can't send it to people. Like you can't send it away.
Yeah, it's essentially true.
If you can't send the crypto, you don't have spot.
So is it a perp?
Essentially.
Technically, yep. Technically, it's a contract.
It's so weird that it's not. You can't find that on TradingView.
Because the only way I know it's kind of crazy, Robin. It's not on TradingView. But the only way that something is like spot is if you actually own it. Like if you buy and you own it.
That's true.
Yeah, Binance has no resistance upwards, but a ton of support all the way down to like 48 cents.
Those buy walls are like 69 cleared. Or sorry, sell walls.
Yeah, it looks pretty empty. I'll take a screenshot.
Doodle said coin market cap shows Binance is the highest volume for spot by a long shot.
I mean, it still looks good, Doge.
You could probably honestly get filled at 60 cents.
That'd be dirty.
An easy fib, you can do a, like, I guess, reverse fib, inverse fib, I don't know what you call it. But going from the top down to the candle on the wick on May 5th, May 6th. And we're above. It bounced nicely.
What's Snapchat at? I'm definitely getting assigned. It's at 55. That's actually not bad. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. We're going to get assigned at 57. I'm already selling 58s. PLTR below 20. Oof. Brutal. Literally the only thing that can save PLTR is good earnings. And that might not even save it. Macy's didn't actually look too bad today. It's got a daily buy signal past couple days. If it breaks the resistance around 18, it should definitely go higher. CVS still continuing. Hit our $85 target. Next target on that would be like 90-ish. Neo still holding support. The stock. Keep an eye on the airlines. The Jets ETF doesn't look too bad. You get above like 26.50, it looks pretty good. ES blew through resistance at 4,200. NASDAQ still has a long way to go. It's got to get back above like 13.8, 13.850 before it looks good. Russell doesn't look too bad. Back above 2,300 would be nice. Look at Dow Jones. Absolutely disgusting. If you guys remember too, Dow Jones during like July, October, like back after the first pandemic bounce, it was lagging the most. It was behind the most. It was like the only one that didn't fill its gap. And now it's leading. Beautiful distribution breaking out.
Doge looks like it's in a distribution pattern as well on the hourly.
Yeah, for sure. The trend line on the 1 hour Doge is clean. Broke the trend line, came back to retest it. Popped up. It's gotta get above that like 6, 7 level. Look at STORJ nuking, topped out on that resistance from the bot to the penny almost. Getting obliterated now. Adam had a really nice day, but topped out a little bit as well. Huobi still looks pretty good. Break the resistance around 27.25. It should go higher. The daily on Doge doesn't look bad, actually. Oh, I've been in logarithmic this whole time. Oops. V-chain hit our target around 1/4. Yeah, perfectly hit our target at 1/4. Too bad we got out of that a little early. Look at that daily on Qdom. Came all the way back. Nasty daily. How's KNC look? I remember that one looked really good this morning. Yeah, it topped out. Mid-perp still climbing. Dragon topped out. Little cup and handle on HNT helium. Dog shit volume typically on that though, so I'd be careful. Wi-Fi doesn't look that bad. Daily closing above 2 levels of resistance. If it breaks that take profit level around like, I guess 55,000 you would say. Could definitely run again. Bitcoin still looks good. Little wiki up here though. A lot of resistance around like 58. That's pretty much it. Not that many charts look good right now.
Smoochie, I'd short that.
Short my gains. Yeah, it does look a little toppy, huh?
Couple scam wicks in there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, actually, some of those
Unless those are withdrawals.
those are holds, because that was when Doge was like really down, or when Link was really down. I just held through it.
Would you start at 1,500? Yeah. It's not bad.
Well, I started at 2,000 like 3 weeks ago, lost $500, and then went back in today or on Monday, and yeah, over 7K.
Nice.
My graph looks fucking gross because I keep withdrawing. You'll just see like these random like.
Yeah, I hate that.
Dips.
I was seeing that on mine too. Like when you deposit and withdraw, it comes up on your P&L graph. It's fucking irritating.
Yeah, TDA does that too. It's really annoying. You can never really tell. I used to like how Robinhood it wouldn't do that.
Yep. Robinhood was smart too. It calculated it like a running total. So like when you withdrew and deposited from a long period of time, it still calculated it properly. Can you look at MIR USD? What is this? Never even heard of this. Mirror protocol. It's brand new on Coinbase. Been on there for 2 days. Have you heard of this, Sticky? Mirror protocol. Pretty brand new on Binance, too. Not much to say about that, James. Too new. Can't really chart it.
No. Never traded it.
They do like tokenized stocks on crypto. Yeah, that sounds like a scam. I wouldn't touch that. Those are extremely risky. Because that's the kind of stuff the SEC is looking out for. They don't like that. That's why FTX is playing with fire, putting all those tokenized stocks on their exchange.
$352. In case any of you are looking at your equities portfolios.
What do you mean, 352?
The time. We have 8 minutes.
Oh, I gotcha.
Remember the stock market?
Yeah, I forgot about that. The boomer market. JMA said top tick Tommy's holding his Doge through the SNL skit.
Oh no.
It's probably not good. We should probably short it. I mean, honestly, it's an easy short. If you short it, I mean, hopefully it goes to like, what's it at now?
63.5.
Yeah, it's a little low. If it was at like 66, you could just do what we did last time, short it, put your stop loss at like 70. You could even do like a trigger. And you could flip long, like if it has some buy pressure coming in. But
There's about
it's a pretty easy short. With a stop above 70.
there's about 17 mil in liquidity on Binance futures for Doge down to 62.5. It might just be spoofing. I don't know if they'll eat anything.
Yeah. Yeah, James, no problem. Glad you liked the videos, man. Yeah, James, you got to be careful on new stuff like that, man. You can't really do any technical analysis when the charts are so new. Doodle said, I wonder what's going to happen with the IRS next year with all these SafeMoon and Doge holders. Dude, there's probably so many Doge traders that don't even understand that they have to pay taxes when they close that stuff. You're going to have a lot of traders who listen to the TikTok people and like put in $1,000 and then they're up like shit, what, 100 grand on their Doge. They're going to go buy a bunch of shit and not realize they have to pay like at least $30,000 to $40,000 in taxes. They also don't understand that because they're up huge on their Doge, it's going to raise their tax bracket completely. One second, guys.
Yo.
Hey, Johnny.
My algo bags are up. That's a bad sign. If a piece of shit like algo is up, that means the market's frothy.
Whoa, what's wrong with algo? Come on now.
Yeah, you're talking shit about one of my bags, sir.
I have a monstrous bag that I've been holding since the dip. But I bought like so early in the dip at like 150, I finally broke even.
Yeah, it's arranging dog shit since like February.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm getting the same feels with Ray now.
I was actually gonna load up a bag for the weekend.
I mean, it looks really good here. I've just been in it too long. A lot of my buying power is tied up into it because I don't want to use high leverage.
Have you opened any new positions today? Or are you just holding and managing?
Opened SRM last night and Sol this morning.
Man, don't you have enough soul?
No, I dumped all of it.
GLD
I got-
about to close the weekly buy.
I got scared out of my bag during that April Bitcoin dip, but luckily Sol was outperforming everything then.
The dip like right before Ethereum mooned?
Yeah, like the 47K dip.
Yeah, that was the one that hit me the hardest. I really wish I didn't capitulate my bags at the fucking bottom.
Yeah, I capitulated Sol at like $40. When Sol was at 50, it looked like that was a really bad idea, but good thing it's just been ranging. Like, look at the Sol chart compared to Bitcoin. It's fucking unreal. That dip didn't affect it at all.
I haven't opened up any perps since I capitulated back in that April sell-off. And I haven't opened one yet because I feel like once I come back in, that's the top. And that's still holding me back for this weekend. But I think I'm going to open some stuff for the weekend. It looks pumpy, at least for a scam pump.
Mm-hmm. Did you set up a KYC account yet for FTX?
No, I still got to reach out to my cousins in Israel.
You have like 5 days if you want to get in on the IDO on FTX.
Sorry, guys. Somebody stopped by my house.
Which IDO?
Mercurial.
I'm going to DM you.
Let me catch up with messages here. Wolf said, be very careful with MIR Luna or other associated projects. Price action reeks of wash trading, heavily shilled on social media. All projects are from the same team, so who can tell what's real or fake? Also, nothing verifiable to be found out about the token allocation, so most likely a large percentage belongs to the founders. Appreciate that. Geo said, BTT looks interesting. Take a look. I like BTT. It's got a daily buy signal, but it's wicking pretty heavily off resistance. If it closes above like 0.0085, somewhere around there, it looks a lot better. What software do you use for these charts? This is TradingView. I use TradingView. Could you check the Luna chart? Yeah, I'll take a look at it. It's not a bad chart, honestly. It's got a daily buy signal. It's in a bull flag. If you break resistance around like 1775-ish, a lot of big buys coming in on Bitcoin. 40 million positive delta. But yeah, if Luna breaks like $17.50, $18, it looks pretty good actually. It's not a bad chart. Bunch of sell signals just came in on the bot. 1 hour shit perp, alpha perp, GRT, BTT, Algo, and Ray. No buy signals came in actually. Interesting. So you guys were hearing me fucking struggle with these bots on stream yesterday. I actually got them working. So this is what it looks like. It sends the signals to Discord every hour that the bot has 1 hour buy or sell signals. So we have all the sell signals coming in every hour, buy signals coming in, and then on the daily close, which is going to be like 8 p.m., there will be daily signals if there are any. And then we have the weekly set up as well. So that will be on Sunday at 8 p.m., I believe, is when the weekly closes. When is that? Yeah, 2 days. The problem with the weekly is what I noticed when I was making the alerts is the bot needs a lot of data before it can start giving you signals. So like, look here, the bot needs like, I think it's at least like 40 weeks or something before it can start giving you signals. Yeah, it's about like 40 candles about. So a lot of the coins on FTX have not been around for 40 weeks. So I kind of wasted alerts on a lot of these, but a lot of them have data, so it's kind of hit or miss. If something's very new, I might just take away the weekly alert and then add some other alert, but we'll see. All right, the stock market closed. That means I just got assigned on Snapchat, I'm guessing. So what's Snapchat at? So we're getting assigned at 57. So we're immediately taking a loss of $231 a share, which is pretty brutal. But we're collecting, what was it, $65 per contract. So that brings my break even down to right here. So now we're actually taking a loss of $162 a share. But then I sold more contracts at $58. So as long as it doesn't nuke here, we'll be able to make that back pretty quickly. That will actually be my first time ever being assigned. And I've been selling premium for a long time, so tells you how fucking stupid this market is right now. How can you get in the channel? The Discord is oasistrading.io/Discord. There you go. How's Cake doing? So you did come back to retest that trend. You're actually inside the trend, so that's not too good. We want this to bounce as quickly as possible.
It's trying right now.
Yeah, it doesn't look bad right now. There's the 36 level we talked about. It bounced a little early, 36.12. Doodle was asking what's so special about the FTX IDOs.
They go 20x.
There you go. They make money. That's what's special about them. The other ones don't, I guess.
There's so many fucking Doge fanboy Twitter accounts out there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Basically the same thing as like Tesla.
They respond so well to Twitter. Like big Doge energy, wife of Doge, the Doge father. They're all just liking and retweeting my charts.
There's gonna be so many people streaming like a viewing of the SNL. Everyone's gonna be a fucking Doge bag holder, and it's just gonna nuke.
It'd be hilarious.
Nice little bounce on cake. Nice little bounce on everything, really.
Deja, have you spotted any 4-hour buys?
Not that I can remember. The 4 hours are a little choppy from what I've seen. The 4 hours are good at alerting you that there's a daily incoming. But other than that, there's a lot of chop on the 4-hour charts right now. Yeah, there's no recent 4-hour buys that I've seen. Not on any of the big names.
There was that 4-hour sell yesterday for Doge.
Yeah, that got faked out instantly.
Yep.
No sell signal is strong enough to compete against the Elon tweet.
Yep.
Elon tweet best signal. Bitcoin's looking really bullish because the bot gave you a 50-minute sell, but you're instantly bouncing. So it closed the long, but now it's going to give you a new long very soon, probably like somewhere around here. So wait for that new long on the 15-minute bot, and it should be ready to break this resistance here. Very nice profit on that recent 50-minute trade. Yeah, I can go back over STORJ. I know a lot of you guys are just coming in. STORJ is very simple. You're hitting a lot of resistance. People are taking profit on the resistance. You do not want to be entering here. You would either enter on support or you would enter on reclaiming this resistance. If you entered here, you would have to understand that you should add here. Like if you want to enter here, you should be adding if it goes down to like $2.15. You should not be closing. So if you're okay to add down here, if it nukes, then you could enter here, but other than that, you wouldn't be entering here. This is where you're closing if you entered on the buy signal down here. You would be taking profit up here.
This gold thing has me so fucking tilted.
What about gold?
I told my dad to buy 10 kilos last week.
You thought you meant cocaine?
What?
What?
I told my dad to buy 10 kilograms last week.
You see that weekly chart I just posted with the fibs?
Yeah. It's fucking despicable.
It's disgusting.
Is that a weekly buy signal on gold?
Yeah, it just closed. You see how on that recent weekly fib, it just fucking bounced right off the 618.
Oh, that's a beautiful weekly signal. The weekly signals
Does it
on
look
gold
the same
have
on
been.
the XAG?
The weekly signals have been insane on gold too. Let's see, the last 10 signals, that's a win, that's a win, win, win. That one might be a small loss. Small loss. So what's that? 4 out of 5. That one is small loss, I believe. Small loss, so a lot of chop back here. That's a win. Chop, chop. So on the bull run, it was killing it. You're about 6 for 10. This is not a bad trend. You need to break this trend though. Could be putting in like a massive inverse head and shoulders, like pump to like 180, pull back and chop to like 170. and then push higher. Or it could just go ballistic and just go straight up. Weekly buy on the spot price as well. How about silver? Yes, look at silver. Silver looks better. Weekly buy on SLV breaking resistance.
Oh yeah, that one.
No weekly buy on spot price though. But silver looks really good.
What's the spot symbol?
XAG USD. Imagine this weekly Bitcoin is a bulldog. That'd be despicable.
I didn't say yesterday. Also, there was a daily buy for. Sorry, PAAS, one of the silver miners.
Yep. How's Ken Rose Gold? And that's the one I used to trade back in the day, KGC. Way higher than where I traded it. That's pretty good. Daily buy on that. It's got earnings coming up. How's Ethereum doing? Ethereum looks pretty good. A lot of buy pressure around 3,400. Long as Ethereum holds 3,400 should be fine. $2 million sell just came in on Bitcoin. Yeah, guards, I think it finally looks good, man. Silver and gold are finally, want to knock on wood, man. Don't want to jinx it, but it look all right. JMA called the bottom. Live on stream.
The top is going to be in 2 hours.
We don't like that bear shit around here.
I mean, listen, I'm about to open within 2 hours. I'm about to open up my first levered long since the liquidation sweep. So
It's funny, Stunk saw that buy signal at the same time we did.
You guys on?
What's that?
So you guys are all still on?
Yeah. I'm gonna hang out for a little bit longer. I'm gonna leave my house in a little bit.
Look what crypto is.
Zcat.
yo, JMA,
Yo,
what's that blue moving average you have on your charts?
you like that shit, right?
Yeah, what is that?
The 20 EMA.
Super clean.
I think I just fucking called the bottom again, boys.
I think you did. You like how Bitcoin always pumps when the equities close?
The milkman giveth.
We just long Zcash.
Rest in
Yo,
peace.
Dave, the OTS trail is approximately a 20 EMA, right?
Approximately, yeah. They're very similar. They don't use the same formula, but they do line up.
Yeah, I've noticed there's a lot of overlap.
Dude, we came into a huge confluence point, man, on that drop.
Yep.
Yeah, top tick is holding through the Elon SNL. He confirmed it.
Okay, that just means that he's gonna get rugged.
He's gonna get fucking buried, dude.
Fucking buried.
But that confirms that there will be a rug. Doesn't mean that it'll happen before SNL, but it could happen during SNL. Or before.
I feel like everyone in their right mind is selling right before SNL.
Yeah.
And that's probably why
I-
they're going to get squeezed.
I don't know, man. I don't think you understand how stupid most of these guys are.
Like, is there any shorters left?
No.
They're all fucking dead.
We shorted the top for like what, 10% and got the fuck out? 20%? If you like money, you don't short Doge for longer than like 2 days.
If you like money, you don't short anything.
Yeah.
I shorted Ethereum. And it took my lunch.
We shorted Ethereum Classic and got buried instantly. Oops, sorry guys.
Dude, that's kind of a hypnotizing gif you posted there, Deja.
You like that?
It's fucking stare the dirt falling on the camera.
That's the all the Doge people getting ready to get fucking buried tomorrow.
Fucking rug.
What is that from?
Lord of the Rings.
Bury him.
I just started Game of Thrones yesterday.
Actually, I don't think that's Lord of the Rings.
You're going to waste a lot of time.
Just don't watch the 8th season. Like, I'm not even joking. Just don't even watch it.
Honestly, there's a lot of enjoyment in that show up until last season.
Yeah, just do
Read,
the show.
read the book instead of watching that season.
The show is fantastic. The books don't make it that far, though. That's the problem. The last season is just it's the worst season in like TV history.
It's like the last 3 seasons.
Talking about.
Game of Thrones.
Is that why it's so dog shit? Because the book was never finished?
Yeah.
See,
He gave them a basic outline of how he wanted the ending, and they just built it themselves.
Dog.
And they were rushing it because they wanted to fucking work for Disney, and then Disney ended up firing them anyway. Fucking assholes.
It was. And that happened like after season like 5 or something. After season 5, it was shit.
They ran out of book material, I think, after season 5. Yep.
You think it'd be as popular without how limited it?
What'd you say?
I mean, yeah, if it's just a bunch of fatties and like fucking
Bunch of fatties. There's some badass bitches in there, dude. I feel like
No, I'm saying that's yeah, of course it's popular because there's hot ass bitches. If it were just fat people in there, well, no offense to the fat people, but they're not policey.
There's not that many attractive women in that show. There's probably a handful of them.
I seen more ass and tits in Game of Thrones than I seen on the internet.
George R.R. Martin was all about the titties and the cocks.
Well, Amelia, she said, I think it was like season 3 or something. She told them she was done being used for her body, and she stopped doing nude scenes. This is what we talk about on stream after the markets close, guys.
Did you?
I'm surprised you guys are all on here still. What the fuck?
Did you ever see the South Park when they were like, it was all about George R.R. Martin's infatuation with penises?
No.
It's fucking hilarious.
That's funny. Doodle said, so is a positive EV strategy to buy FTT and BNB when they announce their IDOs, not financial advice? Like to build up your account so you can participate? I'm guessing that would work, yeah. All the books are over 1,000 pages, if I'm not mistaken. They are very long, yep. Correction, the last season of Lost was the worst TV. I only finished I think like the first 2 or 3 seasons of Lost. It was really good in the beginning, then it just started going downhill. You could tell they were just making shit up as they went. After you figured out what was in the bunker, the show went downhill.
Did you watch The Colony, Deja?
The Colony, the one that was like supposed to be real, like it put them in a dystopian like
It's with the guy from Lost.
No, it's okay. There's two Colony shows. There's one where they take a bunch of people and it's like a reality show and they put them in like fucking this like walled off area and it's supposed to be like a dystopian fucking environment. They stopped filming that show because they would have like fake raiders that would come attack the contestants and they ended up killing one of them in the production of the show. So they stopped.
Jesus Christ.
But yeah, the Colony that you're talking about, no, I haven't seen.
It's pretty good. It's old, but it's pretty good.
What am I watching right now? I'm watching Mayor of Easton right now. And I still haven't finished the Winter Soldier show.
I watched the first episode of that Mayor of Easton.
It's not bad, dude.
It's kind of slow for me.
It is very slow. It's a very slow detective show. So if you don't like those kind of shows, you're not going to like it. Me and my girlfriend like it, though. It's not bad. It gets a lot better on the second episode. Have you watched the second one?
No, but I will.
Yeah,
Yo,
watch
Sticky.
the second one. It gets a lot better.
Yo.
Are you back at home or are you still in the mountains?
Back at home, dude. You don't get fucking service up there.
Trying to sesh COD tonight?
Might be down, yeah. I don't have the brain power lately.
It depends on if shit's moving and he's making money.
That and it's like this week has been no sleep.
Yeah. No, I hear you.
I haven't played the new update yet though, but I heard it's bricked.
I'm having fun with it, actually. I've only played like a handful of times, though.
Fucking stunk. Funny guy. He deleted his tweet to retweet it because he forgot to put Kaleo in it.
Didn't put me in it. That didn't-
Buried.
Is he just propping up all the Oasis boys now?
Who, Kaleo? The only
Yeah.
person he straight up shouted out was JMA.
Yeah, then he like retweeted.
Yeah, he has helped our tweets out though. He's been retweeting and liking us a lot. He's a cool dude. Look at FTT the past 3 days. It's up a nice 10%. That's when the IDO announcement was. Same thing happened for TKO, which was on Binance. BNB broke out of the $250 range at the time. I just put a bunch more money into FTT. I like FTT a lot. And I don't mind if it goes down. I'll just keep adding on to it. If it comes back to the trend, I'll add on. Obviously, I would hate that, but it's not bad here. I like that it's breaking resistance. It would have to be a nasty fake out for it to be a high here, which honestly could happen. But for right now, it looks good.
This is like the first like real high. The last one was synthetic Coinbase run up.
Right now, Bitcoin is faking out a little bit.
Yo, Deja, my boy, told me today that he lost like 2 mil.
Oof. On what?
His bot lost 2 mil today.
Oh, the guy that sold it to a fund or something?
No. Another guy. It's like some sort of
The Doge volatility guy?
triangular- Yeah, so he runs that personally, but like for the firm, he runs some sort of like S&P ARB, something with volatility.
Yep.
And it completely mispriced the jobs report today.
Yep. That's why you don't run algos during reports like that. typically.
And it's like long short, like it's not even delta 1. So for him to blow up for 2 mil, it must have been like heinous.
Dude, you can't trade ES right now. It's fucking untradeable. Like it's absolutely brutal.
You here, Jamie?
Yeah.
Unconfirmed.
I just got it says initiated now.
Fucking the rug, maybe.
The rug was initiated?
Yeah.
That's not funny, so I shouldn't laugh.
No, yeah, there's no update.
And now it's actually showing up on FTX, whereas before it wasn't.
Oh, there you go.
It just says unconfirmed.
I'm still seeing unconfirmed as well.
You think if anything happened, Cash App would be I guess it wouldn't be liable, but might help you out.
I need to get one of those FTX debit cards.
Yeah, that's probably not happening. Don't you need a I need KYC?
It's only on FTX US you can get it.
Oh yeah, there you go.
I'm gonna KYC. I just gotta hit on my cousin.
I just saw you hit 1 year, Sticky. Appreciate that.
No worries, buddy.
I don't have any. Didn't you just sub? How the fuck did that work?
It counted all the ones prior.
No, I mean you literally just subbed 3 days ago and then you subbed again.
No, it's because I haven't come to stream.
Oh, I gotcha.
Johnny, what's the perks of having the FTX credit card?
Nothing.
It just lets you blow your USD balance.
Getcrypto.com.
Like Jay, mate. Next time you go to Fogo, you could just swipe the FTX card that's loading up USD because your perps are up.
Or you can get 3% cash back.
But you have to KYC, right?
It's on the US exchange, so it's naturally KYC'd.
Yeah, fuck that.
Jimmy
How was
doesn't want
Fogo though?
It was fire. I didn't go to Fogo. I'm a gaucha.
Tamagotchi.
Is that in the city?
No, it's out by me.
I know me and my boys usually go to the Fogo up north.
Yeah, it was good, man. Which one up north? The one in Rosemont?
No, not that far north. It's next to. It's just like North Loop or something. It's next to like.
Oh yeah, I know what you're talking about. They have another one down here called Z 451 or some shit like that. It's another Brazilian steakhouse, but like they have like, so they bring the steak around, but they also have like little appetizers that they bring around too. They got like sushi and different random stuff. It's nice too during the summer. They got a nice like rooftop bar.
You missed the good weekend here, right? It was like 80 degrees last weekend. You were in Vegas, I think.
Yeah, it was hotter out here than it was in Vegas. And I got rugged in Vegas too, so double.
Yeah. And then you came back and got rugged on blackjack.
Yeah. Yeah,
Just
I got
okay.
rugged times in the last 2 weeks.
Took a fucking beating. That's why we just gotta play poker for fun and get the fucking degeneracy out of us.
Oh yeah, I'm done with that fucking website. You won't see me on there again.
What was the nail in the coffin? The 7 card 21?
7 card. It was like more like fucking 15 card. I've never seen that. They had to like bring in another table.
You had to use the fucking shuffler's table next to him.
Seriously.
What happened?
This bitch pulled like a fucking 35 card 21. She literally had like 35 aces.
It was all
Never-
twos, threes, and aces. Holy shit. Then she get to like
What'd you
16
have?
and then drew a 5, dude. It was disgusting.
I don't know. I think I had a 20. Just fucking rugged me to death.
Yeah. And then you played that fucking stupid blackjack one, and the guys were hitting a fucking 20.
Some guy hit a 20
Holy shit.
for sure. Is the house doing that?
Yep. Hit a 20, and the next card gave the dealer a 21, and you got rugged. Fucking sickening. No, without a doubt. They've got people that sit in the back and they hit it themselves.
Yeah.
Without a doubt.
That's why I never trust any online gambling. I'm convinced they do that shit.
Oh, they're all scams.
Nah, man. Online gambling is generally pretty fine.
Oh, that's
know-
where we could go, honestly. If Connor's not in here. Instead of going to the steakhouse, we could go to the MGM.
I mean, bro, I've seen D-Gens play roulette like lightning rounds on Bovada.
Oh, he said he was buying me dinner, though. Never mind. Don't bring that up. We're going to dinner.
It's not like they need to rug you. Like, you're going to lose no matter what. Math is on their side.
Yeah, but just add a little bit of a twist, and they make a lot more money.
Maru?
You were a blackjack dealer for years, so you used to rug people all day.
Jamie, have you ever heard of the game?
Heard of the what?
Heard of a game called like High Card Flush?
No, I only play blackjack and craps.
Maybe I'm fucking up the name, but my roommate said he saw it in like this beat ass casino in Kentucky. And it's like I looked it up. It's like one of those like situations like craps where the side bets are like flat EV.
I don't play any other games except blackjack and craps.
I haven't been to an actual casino in fucking years. I think, what, maybe three or four? Every time I go, I get rugged.
Rugged.
Almost every time I go, I'm up in the beginning, and I just don't stop, and I fucking lose.
You know what the trick is to gambling in Vegas, and I can't seem to do it because I'm a fucking degenerate. But you never gamble on the first day. If you could hold off gambling on the first day, you most likely win.
Say that one more time.
If you can hold off gambling on the first day you arrive, you'll most likely win for the trip.
How many days you normally stay out there?
I usually stay out there for 3.
Oh,
But it's
yeah?
like the second I get out there, like I hit the tables before I even drop my shit off in the room.
Oh, yeah. You get fucking just buried.
So now I'm just chasing for the, for the trip.
The best casino was trying to trade shit coins on Binance during the 2018 bear market. Yeah, really, dude. That was fucking brutal.
Sticky here.
Mm-hmm.
What did you say yesterday? Like Zcash follows this. I forget something. was the-
XMR.
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 They're both privacy coins.
So is Litecoin going to the
Going to where?
Cool story.
He's struggling.
If he was He was saying is Litecoin going to the moon? That answer is yes.
Dude, Jay, man, last night, fucking you just waking up, Johnny. Be like, Johnny dips. He's like, oh, Bitcoin price action.
he would get right into it as soon as you woke him up though.
Yeah.
Fucking hilarious.
Bitcoin price action.
He said Bitcoin's dog shit, man.
Why are they selling? Dixie's tanking.
And then they go back to sleep. And the one time you're like, hey, he's not gonna answer you, dude. He's passed out. I was like, Johnny dips. He's like, fucking Bitcoin price action.
Sticky, have you seen ETC today? We'd actually be green on our fucking short.
I shorted 150 with a small size.
We would have only taken a 50% drawdown, but we would be green.
Top tick Tommy mentioned ETC.
What, and we didn't get the alpha on that?
Well, he didn't say he was in there. All he said is, oh, did you see it?
Fuck.
The only thing he's in right now is Doge, and he's got, I think, 300 in it.
Damn, he's really fucking going for it.
Was he the guy that used to like message you when he's down like fucking $10 asking you for like financial advice?
Yeah, on his acorns.
Yeah.
On on a long-term investment, like a 30-year investment, he's down like $16, and he's fucking sweating.
Horrible.
Zcash, let's go.
God bless him.
Castro said he used to have a bunch of friends like that. Fucking text him all the time. They're down like $5.
Johnny Jerusalem, are you in Litecoin?
He left.
Oh.
Had 5 guys yesterday for the first time in a while, man. Shit slaps.
That is good. All right. Gotta run. See you guys.
Peace. Doge is popping. Let's take a look. Is it up a penny? Man, I'm fucking starving.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna have some fucking Chipotle for dinner.
That sounds good.
My girlfriend was fucking cooking a feast, dude, when I left the my place. I was fucking making me so hungry, just smelling everything.
Was she have friends coming over or something?
No, dude, she just overcooks all the time, and she just like makes enough to feed like 40 people.
Everything's dead, man. Nothing's moving. You guys gonna be on tonight?
Yeah, I'll be on when I get home tonight.
I'll be back probably around 11:30, 12ish. If you guys are still on, I'll hop on.
That's probably when I'll be on too.
All right, sounds good. All right, guys, on stream, I'm gonna call it. Appreciate you guys being here. I don't stream on the weekends, so I won't see you guys until Monday. I do release a weekly watch list every Sunday. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Be on the lookout on Sunday, typically around like 4 p.m. Eastern, is when I release the weekly watch list. I've been doing a lot of crypto lately, so we're going to be focusing mainly on crypto on the watch list. We're still going to do all the other normal stuff that we do, but mainly going to be on crypto. And then I'll be back streaming on Monday, 3 p.m. Eastern, Monday through Friday. So make sure to subscribe. If you guys are new to trading, check out the How to Trade playlist on YouTube. There's about 20 videos in there that can help you learn all the techniques and stuff that we use on stream. But all right, guys. You guys have a good one. I'll see you guys on Monday. Peace.